Hello, welcome. This is a bug report for Rampant Rage. Now, for this bug report, I'm assuming the killer left when the round was about to start. Basically, soft locking the game, even if we get it past the limit. We can go way past. And I would also like to report that, here, let me join a new server. Alright, well, here's the other bug report I was talking about. The reply chat is still absolutely small. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. It's for all NPCs. It's very hard to click. That's the bug report for now. I'll make another follow-up video if there's any more. Goodbye.